my stars, and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting tulips, just in time for spring and Easter and all that goodness. These are the colors that you'll be needing: yellow, dark purple, red, green, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget, subscribe on YouTube and share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag fingerpaintingstar for your chance to shine as our artist of the week. Let's begin. First thing, I'm gonna go into this dark purple, and I'm gonna just do a couple of like little, I wanna say round shapes. These are going to be the basis of our flowers. So I'm just kind of making little U's. And I'm just blending them up. This is going to be the shadows for our flowers, and maybe every once in a while I'll throw a few extra little things in there like so. All right, and I'm gonna just do a couple little lines. Boop, line, line. I love doing my shadows and putting them in first, especially with acrylic paint, because I find that it really just helps things to pop later on. So this is what is going to be our tulips, but it would also be a really great start to a peacock tail. But going on, let's go into our red, and we're gonna start making our flowers. So I'm gonna go just above this purple, and I'm just going to swoop up. And I'm gonna do one on the other side and one in the middle. That's going to be one of our tulips. Actually, we'll do a little bit there. Yeah, like so. Now, the fun thing about tulips is there's not really a perfect way to do them. There's a lot of different alternatives online, a whole bunch of different ways that people do them, but I just think they're such beautiful spring flowers. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the yellow now, and I'm just gonna kind of do the same thing that I was doing before. Just make a couple little lines like so. Whoop. You can also start at the top and bring it down. I'm gonna actually add a little bit of yellow to this one at the top. Start at the top, just bring it down. Because sometimes tulips have red and yellow. Ooh, I really like that one. I'm gonna go from the top and carry down there. Okay, let's throw another yellow one up here. Like so. Blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with our green, and I'm gonna do some of our leaves. So our leaves, I'm gonna start at a very, whoop. I'm just gonna do like little, I'm gonna make this end a little pointy. There we go. And I'm just gonna carry down and do big, thick, like try to make my finger as thick as possible. Maybe I can even use my thumb. Let's try this. So I'm gonna go a little bit pointy there, and then use my thumb to just like really smudge that in. Ooh, I like that. Let's do another one. Just use your thumbs. Thumbs are very useful tools. And we can just kind of do like little points and then draw our thumbs down, and that's really just gonna give that whole like, oof, there is a big old leaf right there. Big old leaf. So useful. Thumbs are so useful. Okay, I'm gonna make another red and orange one right here. So I'm gonna go in with my red and carry it up. And my yellow. And I'm just gonna kind of blend it in a little bit. I don't care if the colors get muddled, because sometimes actual flowers are like that too. Ooh, throw a little one in there. Why not? Get a little creative. Ta-da! There you have it. There is a quick fun little finger paint of some tulips just in time for spring. I hope that you enjoyed painting along with me today. I had a lot of fun. And until next time, sending you lots of love. Bye!